Welcome friends, today I am going to unbox one more gadget. So here it is. So let's see what is there inside. Let's open the box. Okay, let's take out this one. This one taken. This is the bill, and here it is. So you can see this is the new. So this is the phone today what we are unboxing. So you must have known already from the thumbnail what is there inside. So let's see. So it is, yes, it is the iPhone 12. So let's uncover this one. So let me get the scissor. So here is the scissor. So this is the security cell for protection. So some security stuff has been given here. So let's take out this one also. I don't know why they have given this one. So let's keep that aside, and yes, let's take out the wrapper. And I am excited to open this one. Wow, so this is the Blue Beauty. Wow, this is looking so nice, you can see. So this is the looks. Back panel is, and this is there. So let's see what are there here. So basically include here it is iPhone 12 and USB type C to lightning cable. So these two things are there inside. Then power adapter and headphone sold separately. Supports GSM, UMTS, LTE and 5G sub 6 GHz cellular technology. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC and GPS. So these are the things it is supporting. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, so this is the type C to lightning cable, as there are no other cable, I guess. So here the logo as usual in the Apple product. And this is the SIM ejector and some safety and handling, exposure to radio frequency, some stuffs are there. So I will check these manuals. Yeah, let's keep it aside. Let's see what is there inside, if anything. Oh, it is so tight, I think it is hard to open, I guess. Seems like it is fixed. So let's keep that also aside. And yeah, this is the Beauty itself, not much heavy. I'm using the Note 8, actually Samsung Note 8. So comparatively I am feeling it is more handy and light. So yeah, it is feeling so light on hand. So let's see. I will use this one. I will set up. Let's on this one. This is the on button. So you can see actually, so there are I think this is volume button, this is the silent and ringing mode, and this is the power button, I guess. Yes, these are the antennas, and in the back side you have only lightning port, so you will not get any USB port, as Apple is doing its own stuff. And two cameras are there, one flashlight, and let's use this one. And this is one SIM in, nothing is there, yeah, that's it. So this is the blue color I have got. So let me know how this blue color is looking. So pretty much this much in the unboxing. So let's power on. I don't know if it has. Yeah, so we have to set up. I don't know why it is not asked yet about the language. So hello is here. Swipe to open. So English. So we are here in India. GHI India, setting language. Select your country, done. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So set up manually, we don't. I have one old one 4S, but I'm thinking to set up new account. So we will do setup, and preferred language English, keyboard English, India, continue. Choose another network. So we will connect to a network. I don't know what, we don't have SIM yet. So Wi-Fi we have. Continue without use Wi-Fi. So let me set it up. Continue. Connect to Mac or PC with iTunes. Yeah, so let's do connect with the my laptop, then we will set up. So the curvy, so this is the square design. So this square design looks so nice. And yeah, so the camera here are up 12 megapixel each. So I've seen the reviews, so it takes good pics. So I will test and let you guys know. I will upload this one in the channel, the camera, how it is taking picture video quality. I have one Samsung Note 8. I will compare this with the samples with the Note 8, so we can see how what is the difference. So we can check those things, and yeah, so pretty much that much. So I will set up and I will let you know after some time. So the device is glossy finish, so it looks nice. So we have connected, continue. So Face ID we will do. So Face ID is done, set up. So continue, create a password. So password done. So here it is, restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly. move data from Android. So don't transfer. So now we will do this one. So we will create a new one. So we will create a free Apple ID. So we will enter the name. So it is asking if you want to use your email address or phone number. So I am giving the email address. So I will give the email address. So password setup is also done. We'll do it later. Don't. Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey Siri is ready. Cool. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. So we'll do that one later. Share audio recording. We'll do later. See without root on this. Let's do the defaults. We will do it later. Welcome to iPhone. So I think the setup is done. So this is the layout. So yes, so setup is done. So later we will do some photography, and this is how it is. Let's see the camera once. We will allow later. So yes. Yes, it's pretty good. Detailing is there, though these are not visible to normal eye now, but I can see in the camera eye. So I think it's taking good pics. So we'll see later many pics. Okay, we will delete this one. Okay, fine. And I think it is getting little bit heat up. I don't know, it should not heat up for this much, but anyhow, yes. So I'm feeling little heat up in the back side.